This tutorial is a continuation from our previous examples that used a lookup stage to join two collections and a project stage to project specific fields. The out stage is used to export output documents of an aggregation query to a new collection, making it the last stage to be applied in the aggregation pipeline. Once you're ready to save your aggregation pipeline results in a new collection, create a new stage by clicking the Add a New Stage button in the Aggregation Editor and selecting Out from the drop-down menu. Let's name our new collection Customers-Affordable-Housing. We can check the input of this stage by clicking the Show Stage Input button on the bottom left Stage Input pane to make sure we've got all the data we need to export. Now if we execute the entire pipeline by clicking the Play button in the Aggregation Editor, we should have a new collection. We'll need to refresh the current database in the connection tree to see it. Right-click on the database and choose Refresh Selected Item to refresh just this database. You should then see your new collection. Also, please see our other highlights videos on getting more from MongoDB with the power of Studio 3T. Thanks for watching and happy aggregating!